Today on the Mustang, we're going to try to fix something that just recently developed in the front suspension. On the passenger side, the strut and the strut mount where it goes onto the hub has come loose for whatever reason. Let me show you. How did you guys fix this problem? These bolts are fully tight. So, any suggestions? Thanks. This is the driver's side. Here, there's no. When I try to shake it, let me just put you on a tripod here. When I try to rock this back and forth, there is no play whatsoever. So here it is here. This, when it's fully tightened, it doesn't clamp it down enough to have a snug fit around the coilover. So my plan is to create a shim out of really thin metal. So I'm going to cut, that's the width of the, from here to here. And I'm going to cut that and then try to install it in here. Voila. Okay, I'm going to put a little bend right here, right along there. So when it goes into this bracket here, it's going to lock on to that little edge. It'll lock on to this little edge right here. So something like that. That'll work. Now we're going to try to bend this around this old piece of pipe I had kicking around, just so it can fit in here a bit easier. Cut it about here. Well, there it is. The holes are drilled. Yeah. So let's put it in the car. Perfect. That's it. There you go. That mark on this, that mark right there on the coilover. That was from the last time it slid up the coilover. So I'm gonna call that a fix. Thanks, guys.